Chapter 3. The Breaking Point. They were living in the same house, but like strangers. Months passed. No prayer. No peace. She said, one day Amara packed a bag. No communication. I can't do this anymore. Tunda didn't stop her. That was the moment everything collapsed. Chapter 4. Separation. Amara moved out. At first, she felt relief, but at night, she cried. Tunda acted strong, but deep down, he was empty. Friends got involved. Family started talking. Some said, just move on. Others said, this marriage is over. But what people didn't know, God was not done.
Chapter 5. God begins to work. One night, Amara had a dream. She saw herself in a broken house, crying. Then a voice said, I did not call you into marriage to destroy you. She woke up with tears. That same week, she went to church. The pastor preached, God can restore what is broken. If you surrender. She felt it deeply, but her heart was still wounded. Chapter 6. Conviction. On the other side, Tunda also began to feel something. One evening, he sat alone and remembered their first prayer, their wedding vows, the joy they once had. He whispered, God, where did I get it wrong? That night, he opened his Bible. His eyes fell on, husbands, love your wives. He broke down. For the first time, he realized it wasn't just her fault. He had also failed.
Chapter 7. The process of healing. God began to work on both of them separately. Amara started praying again, asked God to heal her heart, let go of bitterness. Tundi repented sincerely, became humble, asked God to change him. This is the part many people don't like. God worked on them before bringing them back together. Chapter 8. The Divine Encounter. One Sunday, Amara decided to attend a program. Unknown to her, Tunde was also invited. They both arrived, shocked to see each other. Awkward silence. But the message that day was clear. Forgiveness is not weakness, it is obedience. The pastor said, some of you are holding what God wants to heal. Both of them knew God was talking about them. Chapter 9. The First Conversation. After service, Tundi walked up to Amara. His voice was soft. I'm sorry. She was quiet. Then he said, not because I want you back, but because I was wrong. Tears filled her eyes. That was the first time she saw a different man. Chapter 10. The Journey Back. They didn't rush back. They started slowly, talking again, praying separately for each other, attending counseling. There were still pains, still doubts, but something had changed. God was now at the center again.
Months later, can we try again? God's way. Tan asked. Amara paused, then said, yes, but only with God at the center. They didn't return to the old marriage. They built a new one. Stronger, deeper, better. Scene 13, Joy returns. One evening, they sat together laughing, something they hadn't done in a long time. We almost lost everything, Amara said. Tan smiled, but God restored it. Peace returned. Love returned. Joy returned. Outro message to viewers. Listen, not every broken marriage is finished. Some are just waiting for God. If you're going through something right now, don't give up yet. God can restore. God can heal. God can rebuild. Call to action. If this story blessed you, like this video, share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful stories. Ending line is OFT Voice. Remember, when God is involved, nothing is ever truly lost.